Friends, there is a hardworking cow who works all day in her field. After a few days, the cow's crops grow and are ready for harvest. But suddenly, a naughty monkey comes and starts ruining the cow's crops. The cow tries to stop the naughty monkey, but the naughty monkey becomes angry and starts hitting the cow. Seeing this, the cow's little calf starts crying loudly. The crying calf quickly calls the police for help. Soon, the police arrive and catch the naughty monkey. Friends, you enjoyed the story, right? So please like and subscribe.